Good morning, students. So today we are discussing about the chapter 5 of the class 5. The name is Food, Health and the Hygienes. So in these chapters we will be discuss what is the meaning of food, what is the meaning of health and what is the meaning of hygienes. Are they interrelated? And we will be discuss all about the perspective. All those things. Now firstly you will be see here the food. There is a given a definitions about the food. Food is the substance which eaten by the us. The meaning of it, anything what we eat, that is known as the food. What we are eating, that is known as a food. And what is the function of food? Why we are taking the food? Because it gives us energy to do work, and it keep us healthy, and it maintain our body, because our body keep healthy by the food. And the maintaining body means they replace our damaged tissue. If any damaged muscles are replaced by the food substance, so we can say food replaced our body, okay, for maintain our body. So we can say the now we will be see the second is nutritions. If you will be see, nutritions are generally those substance which are present in the food substance, and they provide us energy for our survivals and growth for our body. So the function of the nutritions, they are present in food, but they are providing us energy and some growth, okay. So they are responsible for our growth. So we will be discuss here some major nutritions that are present in our food, like carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and the minerals. So you will be see the fats and the carbohydrate. These are the essential nutrition. It should be present in our diet because they give us the energy. So energy are taken by the body from the carbohydrate and fats. If they are present in our food, then we will get the energy, okay. And that's why that is known as the energy giving nutrients. The meaning of energy giving nutrients, those nutrients which are responsible to give the energy. And some common example where we generally get the carbohydrate, like the rice, wheat, potato, bread, banana and etc. So you are seeing here a common things. The name is most of the cereals, okay, like the rice, wheat, barley, maize, bajra, okay. All these things, they are the highly rich in the carbohydrate. If you will be see the some example of the fat that contain the foods, like the milk, ghee, butter, cheese and the groundnuts, they are rich in the fat substance, and fat is also give us the energy. If we compare the both of substance, fat give the twice energy comparatively the carbohydrate, okay. But if we take the too much fat in our diet, it is harmful for us, okay. So there are some various factors. We know that the fat give us twice energy to the carbohydrate, but it is harmful to us if we take it in the high quantity or large quantity, we can say. In the second you will be see protein is the another essential nutrition. And the function of it repair our worn out tissue, and it also help in the growth of body. So proteins nutritions are responsible for our growth. It build up our muscles, it build up our bones. So we can say those food substance, they contains the protein that are known as the bodybuilding nutritions, okay. And protein is known as the bodybuilding nutritions, and those source which contains the protein, that will be known as the bodybuilding substance. And if you will be see some common source like the milk, soybean, egg, fish and the pulses, these are the major source of the protein. So you have to remember that, okay. So most of the non-veg milk, or we can say milk product, yani ki dairy product, that is also are rich in the protein substances. Now we will be see the second is vitamin and the minerals. They are also essentials nutritions. If you will be see the minerals and vitamins, they are generally found in the vegetables and the fruits. These are the major source of the vitamin and minerals. Both are the both are required for our body, because the vitamins and minerals, they keep protect our body. Okay, they fight against the disease bacteria or disease microorganism. So they are the function of the vitamin and minerals. They are protecting our body. So that's why they is known as the protective nutrition. So we can say those food substance which contains the high amount of vitamin and minerals, that will be known as protective food substance. Or we will be see here some different type of the vitamin. We classify the vitamins in the different types, like the vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K. So some source of the some vitamins like the vitamin A generally present in the carrot, spinach, sweet potato. Okay, sweet potato. It's a complete terms. It's known as the sakarkand. Now the vitamin D is generally present in green leafy vegetables and the meats, and vitamin C is generally present in the citrus fruits, green vegetables, potato, cabbage, lemon, orange. We know that the citrus fruits जो जिनका टेस्ट सोर होता है, that are the highly rich in the vitamin C. Okay, and the vitamin D that our body is absorb when the sunlight, it will be exposed when our body skins will be exposed in the sunlight, then it will be made the vitamin D. And the other source like the egg, milk, fish oil, and the dairy product like the curd and the cheese. Vitamin E are present in the cereals like the wheat, rice, corn, soya beans. And the vitamin K is present in the cauliflower, spinach, and the broccoli. So each vitamin has a specific functions in our body. We will be discuss here after the discussing the minerals. So firstly, we will see here what type of the minerals and how they are essential for our body growth. Some minerals we will be discuss here like the iron, calciums, and iodines. So we will be discuss only about three: iron, iodine, and calciums. If I'm talking about the iron are the very essential minerals which are required for our body because it helps in the making of blood. Our blood is generally made by the iron. Okay, there are some substance that are known as the hemoglobin and that are made up by the iron substance, minerals. Okay, and generally iron we get the green leafy vegetables, pomegranate, banana, and apple. So these are the some source of the iron. And the iodine, it is also the another substance or other minerals which are required for our body and that keep our thyroid glands healthy. Thyroid glands that are present in our neck. If you have seen there in the neck, there is a voice box. So there is present the thyroid glands, and the function of this thyroid glands, it control our body growth. If the iodine will be less in our body, so our body will not be grow properly. Okay, so you have seen some people are stunted in their size. उनकी जो body size है, they are very stunted because their body does not grow up properly due to the deficiency of iodine. And the iodine generally we get from the seafood, iodine salt, that are the common source of the iodine. If you will be see here like the calciums are generally, we know that help us in the making of bones strong and the teeth. So our bones, our teeth, that are the made up by the calciums, and calciums are present in the milk, curd, cheese, ghee, and milk product, dairy product. Okay, other substance which are made up by the milk. So these are the major source. These are the source which contains the calciums. So I think you get the meaning how they are essential for us and what are the major source where they are present. Now the another two substance, one is the rough phase and another is the waters. Okay, except these minerals, except these five nutritions like the carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamin, there are two another nutritions, or we can say there are some two important nutritions that are also important for our body growth. One is the rough phase, second is the waters. Okay, so they are the different but they are also essential. If you will be see, rough phase has no any nutritional value, but it is important in our diet because it helps in the digestions of our food. Similarly, water has not any nutritional value, but it also help in our diet because it help in the transportations of the substances which are required in our body, like the transportations of the